How to remove page breaks in Word. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove page breaks in Word. So let's get started. So there are two methods to do that. First thing that you need to do is simply head over, go to Home, and then you're going to click on this icon right over here. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see all of the page breaks in your document. Now, let's say you want to remove a page break. What you're going to do is simply head over, click over here, and then you can simply remove it like you remove any other character by doing like this and press delete. And that is how you can remove a page break. You can do it manually for all of the page breaks. But let's say your document is very long and you want to remove numerous page breaks. Then what you can do is simply head over and search for Control+H. That is basically find and replace. You're going to find the page breaks. So you can simply type in this, or alternatively, you can go to More, and then you can click on Special. And here you can search for manual line break or manual page break, and it just types in the same character. And then you can simply click on Find Next. And this is basically going to find the page break for you. So you can simply delete it like you can delete any other character, or you can also leave the replace with blank and click on Replace All, and that will remove all the page breaks from your entire document. So that is basically how you can remove page breaks in Word. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.